Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would love to share with you guys how I made those crunchy and tasty chicken rings. Those chicken rings tasted so good and was super easy to make, which you can likely have it with some fried potatoes for lunch or as a snack. So the first thing you're going to need is some chicken, and this is 400 grams of boneless chicken breast that I have just cut up into smaller pieces, and which is the first thing that goes into the blender. So to this I'm going to add 1 medium size of finely chopped onion. Next to it, followed by 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt to taste. And I'll go ahead to blend those nice and smoothly to form a chicken paste. So after blending nice and smoothly, I will go ahead to mix together to ensure all the flavors of the ingredients are well combined. So at this point, I'm going to transfer the chicken paste into a piping bag, so it's going to help us in creating those chicken rings. So here with me is a tray lined up with parchment paper, which I'm going to be creating those chicken rings on it. So after creating those chicken rings, I'll go ahead and freeze them for about 2 to 3 hours before we are able to roll them into some flour. So after a couple of hours in the freezer, our chicken rings are well freezed, and we are going to start by dipping them into all-purpose flour, a coating of egg, and then finally breadcrumbs. this one, our chicken wings are well coated, and I'll go ahead to deep fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium high heat until they are golden brown. So here comes the final results of our chicken wings, beautifully fried and looks amazing. Those chicken wings are a great snack which you can serve them by both kids and adults, and they are going to like it so much. So guys, if you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video and hope you enjoy watching. And if you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Until I come your way with another video, stay blessed, stay safe, bye bye.